What's up? Welcome back to another video. It's been a while since we posted anything, but we hadn't really made any changes to the Integra. But I'm gonna show you guys what my wife and my kids got me for Christmas. And I think in this video I'm gonna start a series. I'm gonna turn the Integra into kind of a show car. We're gonna do some stuff to it to make it look a lot better. One part of that is a color change, but that's not coming yet. I'll probably do like its own separate video on that, but anyway. So for those of you who know, this is what my kids got me for Christmas. It's a replica of a Mugen gen 1 ITR wing. I love the way they look with this little ducktail on them. Of course, this isn't the real thing because real Mugen wings are incredibly expensive. But I still think it'll look good, and I'm not gonna try to pass it off as a real one by putting the fake name tags there. But I like the way it looks, so we're gonna put it on, see how it fits, and we might leave it because she needs to be washed. But I think it'll look a lot better than the factory wing. But anyway, so since that wing is a factory style wing, it's supposed to mount straight to the factory mounting points, which are here and over there. On the driver and passenger side, there's 2 bolt holes, and that wing is supposed to mount directly to those same locations, so there's no drilling required. All right, guys, I got the wing installed. Let me know what you guys think. I think it looks pretty cool. I've always loved that spoiler in particular on these cars. It's like the Type R wing, just with a little extra. But I'm not gonna color match it right now. I'm probably just gonna rock it black for a little while because I got a black hood and the black side skirts. But this car will be getting a full color change soon, including the wing, because everything else on the car looks great except the paint. On the passenger side, there's a lot of damage, and the roof. So but yeah, from this angle up here, it just looks sick. Now, if your car does have, like the factory low spoiler with a third brake light, there are some holes that you're gonna have to fill right here and right there where the wiring harness comes out for the third brake light. I haven't done that yet, but I will before this car gets its paint job, color change that we're gonna do. I'm not gonna do it yet, not until we actually get started on that process. And then there's some rust in the quarters that we need to take care of, and some very light, general body work that needs to be done before we get into that color change. But I just wanted to see how this looked, if I was gonna like it or not before I committed to having it on there. And I love it, so it's gonna stay on there. But anyway, like I said, I'm gonna rock it in the black for now. Just leave it unpainted because My hood's black and my side skirts are black, and it doesn't look bad right now. If it was a different color, you know, if my car was a different color, it'd probably look bad, but I think it looks all right. But anyway, we'll see you in the next one.